So what about the marker? Here we got the marker. And this is the bar for the marker. We move along the bar till we hit the end of the bar. Then we move to find the number. And it's 3. So here we got 3 for the chalk and 3 for the markers. So when I ask you how many writing tools are chalk or markers, okay? You can say we have 6 writing tools which are chalk or markers because we add 3 plus 3 equals 6 writing tools, okay? Now, how do you find the number of writing tools that are in the box, which is the question that we need to find an answer for, okay? Now, let's see what about the other bars. Now here for the pencil, let's move along the bar till we hit the end of the bar and then we quickly go to find the number, which is 5. Now what about crayons? This is crayon, right? Now we move along the bar till we hit the end of the bar and suddenly we should run quickly to find the number, which is 4. So here I have 4 writing tools, right? Here we got the chalk, we got the crayons, we got the marker, and we got the pencil. Now, if I asked you how many writing tools are in the box, we should add all the writing tools together. So we got 3 chalk, we got 3 crayon, we got 3 crayons, excellent. 3 markers and 5 pencils. Now we should add what? We should add 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5. Can someone tell me what would be the answer? Okay, 3 plus 4 equal 7. And 7 plus 3 equal 10. 10 plus 5 equal 15. So we have here 15 writing tools divided between the chalk, the crayons, markers, pencils. But overall, in total, we have 15 writing tools, okay? Now, I want to ask you a question. Now, if I asked you to describe how the information in the graph for the crayon, let's erase all of this so you can focus more. Okay, now if I told you describe how the information in the graph for the crayon and for the marker is different, what would you say? I will give you a few seconds to think. What can you tell me when you have a look at this graph for the crayon bar and the marker bar? What information can you get? And based on the information that you get, how can I compare between them? Can we use it in comparison? Yes, of course. Okay, I will tell you. Now for the crayon, here, when we move along the bar till we hit the end, then quickly run to the number. There are 4. There are 4 crayons inside the box. What about the markers? Let's run till we hit the end and run quickly to find the number. So here we got 3. So the information that I can get from the graph is that there are 4 crayons and 3 markers. If I compared between them, what can I say? I can say the number of crayons is 1 more than the number of markers, right? Okay, let's write it I think it's better to write it. So we can write it together now. This is the information that we got. There are 4 crayons and 3 markers. The number of crayons is 1 more than the number of markers. Okay, now I know that I wrote it fast. You can pause the video now and you can copy it in your own pace. Okay, so those are the information that we can get from this graph for the crayon and the marker. Of course, we can do the same for the chalk, for the pencil. We can compare all of them together. It's okay. That's why we have a bar graph. Okay? So now let's move to page 678. Okay?